Hi, this is your Vihan. Today we're going to make a reindeer. We need cups, disposable gloves, a straw, rubber bands, a scissors, and some markers. Now let's decorate the gloves as reindeers. We drew the eyes, nose, and the antlers, so we should fold the rest of them by taping them on the back. Look, I taped it like this on the back. Take a paper cup and scissors to make a hole in the cup. Now insert the straw into the hole. This is how it will look now. Now take your glove that you drawed on and put it on, and then we should place it with a rubber band. Reindeer is almost ready. Now the glue in the straw. Wasn't that cool? It was amazing, right? Look, a reindeer will come out. Look, I just made a surprise monster this time. Isn't this cool? You try that at home. I hope you like it. Be sure to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye guys.